The first thing you want to do once you've downloaded everything is head to the develop file and then open a new terminal. Once that terminal is open, we are going to run an npm install, and that will make sure that we have all the necessary packages installed on our operating system. You can check by looking at the package.json file and making sure Inquirer is under the dependencies. Now we should be ready to run the application. Here's a blank README file that will be filled with user input. We're going to type node index.js into the terminal and hit enter. After, we're going to receive a series of prompts that will ask us to input a title, description, and so on. When we get to the license section, we can choose which license we want by moving the arrow keys up and down. We can also choose none if we do not want to include a license. When it prompts us for contributors, we can include multiple contributors by separating each person with a comma. We can do the same for the test section. We'll finalize the README by inputting our GitHub username and email and hitting enter. Now you can see we have our completed README markdown over here as well as our preview over here. We have our title, license badge, table of contents, and all the links here work. Let's try one of them. In the contributors section, we added 2 people. They show up as an unordered list. We can also see what we input for each of the sections like description, installation, and so on. The license is linked to the license file, which is assumed to be in the same folder as the README. Finally, let's take a look at these 2 links right here. Our GitHub link links to our repository. The email link allows us to send an email to that address. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, my contact information is on my GitHub profile.